have decided, Henry. I really love Lara, and I want to marry her.
You, marry Lara? Paano? Siya kang halimaw. Pwede ba yun?
I know what you're thinking, Henry, but Lara, she taught me many things. She taught me how to be a normal person. She taught me how to control my urges. And with her love and understanding, made me feel like normal.
Sabagay. Para sakit lang naman yung pagiging halimaw mo eh. Hindi ka naman nakakapanakit ang kapwa. Bumabagsi ka lang. Pumapangit. Eh, kinakadena mo naman ang sarili mo. Baka nga pwede. Oh, anyway. There's an invitation for you to attend a Diplomats Ball party. And dignitaries from all over the world will be attending the party.
This is the perfect event, Henry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna attend it, and I'm gonna introduce Lara to all of my friends. And then, I'm gonna propose to her. I'm gonna ask Lara to marry me.
Sana'y dalhin kayo ng aking alaala kay Lara at bumalik kayo ng may magandang balita.
Lara, I want you to be my date on this special night.
Ha? Nikolai, kailangan ba talaga ako sumama? Do I need to go with you?
I want to be with you, Lara.
Ayag na.
Please.
Ayag na.
But,
Ano ba? Halika nga dito. Pat, parang mong dahilan, sumama ka na. Sige na.
kasi naman, hindi naman ako nababagi sa party na to, no? Tsaka, Mimi, ano isusuot ko? Nakakahiya.
I know what you're thinking, Lara. Don't worry. I'll take care of everything. We're gonna go shopping today.
Shopping? Uy, totoo ba yun? Shopping, heard, shopping. Go. Sige na.
Nakakahiya pa rin. Nikolai, sobra-sobra na talaga yung nagawa mo sa amin. Many things. Shy na me, okay? I cannot accept.
It's gonna hurt me if you don't accept, Lara.
Uy, narinig mo yun, masasaktan daw siya. Umayag ka na.
Please, Lara. Please.
Sige na.
Nakakapagod pala mag-shopping, ganun pala yun. Pero masaya siya. Uy, thank you ha. Pati ako nadamay dun sa pag-shopping niyo. Meron tuloy akong bagong dress, mamahalin.
Pero ayoko na mag-isipin na sinasamantala natin si Nikolai.
I know what you're saying, Lara. Don't worry. I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing this for myself. Masaya ako. Dahil masaya kayo.
Ang galing na ako nagturo sa kanya nun.
Alam mo kaya talaga. Teka lang. CR muna ako. Nikolai, go to CR.
Okay. I wait for you.
I will go with her.
Okay.
Tara.
Ganda, miss! Ang ganda-ganda!
Sa wakas, kagabi pa tayo nagpapamudmud ng magic petals. Makakakain na rin tayo. Gutom na ako eh. Parang kilala ko itong lalaking to. Sino? Si Nikolai?